Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this for the first time, my name is Ruth Kwamby and this channel is all about healthy juices, smoothies and a bit of travel. And before we go on, please support this channel by hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and you'll always be the first to get notified when we have a new video coming in. And for those who've already subscribed and are watching the videos, welcome back for today's video. Today's video, I want to show you how to make cucumber juice and also mention the benefits of cucumber juice. Cucumbers are very good because they have high water content. They're very good in vitamins. They have vitamin A, vitamin K, minerals, silica, vitamin C, and chlorophyll. If you didn't know, they're very beneficial. I know so many people don't take cucumber juice, or maybe you chew cucumbers. It's okay, no problem. But I want to show you how we can make cucumber juice and later mention the benefits of incorporating cucumber juice in our diet. So please make sure you stay with me from now till the end of this video. So what we need is just water and cucumber. So this is our cucumber juice. Actually, it has no taste. It's just like that. If you wondered why I peeled my cucumber, I don't like peeling vegetables most of the time, but I peeled this one because it was not organic, so just in case any pesticides were used, to be safe. So this one doesn't have any taste. Just add some lime to it and mix it out. Yeah, it brings in some taste if you really want to have some taste. So what are the benefits of taking cucumber juice? Number one is it's a good source of vitamins. As I said from the beginning, cucumbers contain vitamin K, vitamin A, silica, chlorophyll, and all this, which are very essential. Number two, it contains 9% of water. That means it's able to rehydrate our bodies. Number three, it's good for the skin. Cucumbers are very good. They are able to enhance your beauty. So make sure you incorporate them. Another thing you can do with cucumbers, just take a slice of cucumber and put them in your eyes and relax for like 30 minutes. They're really going to help your eyes. They're also very good in hair growth. They boost hair growth. They aid in digestion and also can help in weight loss. If you're struggling with weight loss, incorporate cucumber juice in your diet. I also put a link in the description box or up here concerning the weight loss juice that you can take if you really want to lose weight. Cucumbers are very good in digestion, hence they are really going to help you. If you're suffering from chronic constipation, you can drink cucumber juice and it's really going to help you. Another benefit of cucumber, it helps fight cancer. Prostate cancer, colon cancer, and all these cancers, they can heal. Cucumber can help you fight or lower the risk of getting cancer. If you're fighting with breath issues, then just take a slice of cucumber and put it in your mouth, press it with your tongue, let it stay there for 20 seconds and do away with it. It's going to help you. Cucumbers ease hangovers. If you have issues with hangover after a night of drinking, the following morning, just chew some cucumbers. They're going to help you. They're going to lower the headache that you could have when you're having a hangover. Cucumbers help boost immunity. If you have issues with your immunity, just incorporate cucumbers in your diet. Also, I have an immunity juice. I'll put a link in the description box below. I also put a link up here. You can click on that. Try the juice. It's going to boost your immunity. Cucumbers help lower joint pain. If you have pains in your joints, drink cucumber juice and it's going to help you. If you are having a foggy mirror, take a slice of cucumber and rub it on the mirror. It's going to be very clear. Cucumbers improve sleep. If you have sleeping issues, just incorporate cucumbers. That means you can drink cucumber juice at night when you are going to sleep. It will calm your nerves, it will help you relax and help you sleep well. Cucumbers also help improve eyesight. If you have eyesight issues, though I'm going to do a different juice later on eyesight, but you can incorporate cucumbers in your diet, drink cucumber juice, and you're going to improve your eyesight. Lastly, it's an energy booster because of the vitamins that it contains. It supplies the body with the required vitamins that help in boosting energy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. Let me know if you like it. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the description box below, and let's share out how you've used cucumber so that you can also help other people who really watching this video. Before I end this video, today's post shout notification goes to Van Del Barrio. Shout out to you, Van Del Barrio. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel, for watching the videos, and for subscribing. And for the rest, the shout outs are back. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure that post notification is turned on. Like the videos, leave a comment, and definitely I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video.